Welcome back, children. So in the last class, I have completed all the question answers of time and motion. Now after that, we will do few numericals, right? So that is why I have continued as question number 16. Now look here. The first question, a train travels a distance of 720 kilometers in 10 hours. Find its speed in kilometer per hour and meter per second. So here answer, distance is 720 kilometer, time is 10 hour. Therefore speed is equal to distance by time, that is 720 kilometer by 10 hour. 0 gets cancelled, that comes to 72 kilometer per hour. Now you got the answer in kilometer per hour. Now this 72 kilometer per hour has to be converted into meter per second. So how to do that? So therefore speed is equal to 72 kilometer per hour, that is equal to 72 into 1000 meter by 1 hour is 3600 second. So here 00 gets cancelled, 36 ones are 36 twos are, that is equal to 20 meter per second. So children, this is how we will convert. See here, speed 72 kilometer per hour, that is 72 into, now 1 kilometer is equal to, you know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So in place of kilometer I have written 1000 meter, and 1 hour is equal to 60 into 60 seconds, that is equal to 3600 second. So in place of hour I have written 3600 second. Then 2 zeros from 3600 and 2 zeros from 1000 gets cancelled. 36 ones are 36, 36 twos are 72. So in this way 36 72 gets cancelled. So 2 into 10, that is equal to 20 meter per second. So this is the conversion. Clear? Now here children, I am telling you one easy method. If you want to convert from kilometer per hour to meter per second, you can directly do in this method. Supposing here, as in this case, 72 kilometer per hour, this can be written as, in shortcut method, 72 into 5 by 18 meter per second. So kilometer per hour is replaced by 5 by 18 fraction meter per second, right? So directly cancel 18 ones are 18 fours are, that comes to 5 fours are 20 meter per second. Now if you want, so this is a simple method of converting speed given in kilometer per hour to meter per second. Now if you want to do the reverse, supposing if you want to convert a speed given in meter per second to kilometer per hour, then you will just interchange this numerator and numerator. So here from kilometer per hour to meter per second, you are multiplying with 5 by 18. In the opposite case, from meter per second to kilometer per hour, you will multiply it with 18 by 5. And you will write kilometer per hour in place of m by s, meter per second, right? So that is the shortcut method which you will do. So next we come to the second numerical. Okay children, here is the next question, next numerical. A rabbit runs at a speed of 3 meter per second. How far will it go in 1 minute? So here is the answer. First of all, it's given that speed of the rabbit is 3 meter per second. Time given is 1 minute, that is equal to 60 seconds. Therefore, distance covered by the rabbit is equal to speed into time. So that is 3 meter per second and time is 60 seconds. Second gets cancelled. So that comes to 180 meter. So very simple. Here speed is given 3 meter per second. Time is given 1 minute. 1 minute means 60 seconds. So distance covered by the rabbit will be speed into time. So speed is 3 meter per second. Time is 60 seconds. Second gets cancelled. So it comes to 180 meter. Clear? So this is how, these are simple numericals. So this type of numericals will be asked even in examination. So you should have full practice of this type of questions. Next, we go to the third numerical. Okay children, here comes the third numerical regarding time. Convert 6 hours into minute and second. So his answer, 6 hour is equal to 6 into 1 hour. That is 6 into 1 hour is 60 minutes. That is equal to 360 minutes. Right? So this is one answer. Again, 6 hour equal to 360 minutes. That is equal to 360 into 1 minute. That is equal to 360 into 60 second. Now 36 is a 216 00 second. Clear? So this is very simple. First of all, you write 6 hour. That is 6 into 1 hour. So 6 into, in place of 1 hour you write 60 minutes. That comes to 360 minutes. Again, 6 hour equal to 360 minutes means 360 into 1 minute. Now 1 minute is converted to second. So 360 into 60 second. You know that 1 minute equal to 60 second. So now multiply and get 21600 second. Clear? Now let us do the next question. So children, the next question, find the total distance covered by a car in 20 minutes that moves with a non-uniform speed of 50 km per hour for the first 10 minutes and then with a speed of 60 km per hour for the next 10 minutes. So 20 minutes has been divided into two parts. First 10 minutes, then again second 10 minutes. So here is the answer. So the first speed, first you write, first case, speed is equal to 50 km per hour, time is equal to 10 minutes, that is 10 by 60 hour, that is 1 by 6 hour, right? Therefore distance covered is equal to d1, that is speed into time, s1 into t1. So first speed is 50 km per hour and time is 1/6 of r. So r gets cancelled, 2 25s are 2 3s are, that comes to 25 by 3 kilometer, right? The second case, speed in this case is given 60 km per hour, time same 10 minutes, that is 10 by 60 hour, that comes to 1/6 hour. Therefore distance covered is equal to d2, that is equal to s2 into t2, that is 60 km per hour multiplied by 1 by 6 hour. So here r gets cancelled, 6 10s are, that comes to 10 km, right? Therefore total distance covered is equal to d1 plus d2. So d1 is how much? 25 by 3 km and d2 is how much? 10 km. So take the LCM, 25 plus 30 km, that is equal to 55 by 3 km. that is equal to 18 whole number 1 by 3 kilometer. Clear? So here you can understand that the time has been divided into two parts. First 10 minutes, second 10 minutes. During the first 10 minutes, speed of the car is 50 km per hour. During the second 10 minutes, the speed of the car is 60 km per hour. So first of all, you find the distance covered when the speed of the car was 50 km per hour. So d1 equal to s1 into 1, where s1 is the speed in first case, time in first case. So 50 km per hour into the time has been, you can understand. So 10 minutes has been divided into, it has been converted into hour, 10 by 60 hour, that is 1/6 hour. So it comes to 25 by 3 kilometers. Similarly, in the second case, distance covered will be s2 into t2, where s2 is the speed in the second case, time in the second case. Speed is 60 km per hour in the second case, time is same, 1/6 hour. So here it comes to 10 km. So total distance covered is d1 plus d2. First 25 by 3 km added with 10 km. Take the LCM, solve it, and you get 55 by 3 km. So you change into mixed fraction, it becomes 18 whole number 1 by 3 km. Understood? Next, one more question, one more numerical. So children, in our next class, I'll do one more numerical, and I think few questions are there. That will be done in our next class. Thank you.